What's good, chat? Today we're reacting to Knicks and Celtics full game highlights. Game 2. I heard it was a crazy game. I did not see it because I want to have a pure reaction. I look here, saw a little bit of the ending. It was crazy, but I want to see what led up to that. But yeah, we're gonna react to that today, and let's get into it. Starting lineups. Go. See what's happening. My boy Bridges, my boy Brown. Brown looks stupid as fuck, I'm not gonna lie, with that haircut. Bald ass, man. They got a Caesar. Okay. Holiday, Brunson. Ooh, delay. Delay, Holiday. I guess you play offense now. Surprisingly. But hey, man. Cat, big boy. Big man. That's a foul, ref. That's a foul. That's a foul, man. Oh my god, where's he going? Oh my god. Hold on. Gotta find that man the map. Hold on. Find that man the map. Where he at? Oh my. One more time. Brunson, where are you going? The fuck are you going? I'm guessing he tripped. I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt, kid. You probably tripped. You didn't see whatever. But yeah. That's tough right there. Brunson, you gotta hit that, twin. Brown and Hart. Oh my god. Tough. Ball hat Brown. Bridges. Come on, Bridges. You need to hit that, gang. You need to hit that. White's wildin'. Boom. Good shot. 16-7. 16-7. So they're down right now. Good pass. White's wildin'. But yeah. Oh, come on, we need that from you, twin. Ah, got a boy, big boy Robinson. Hook the leg. I like that. I like that move. That's a smart move. Let's see what he's gonna say. Man, we don't give a fuck. Come on now, give a fuck about none of that shit. Great game. Ah. Big boy. Oh my god, big man. He's hype. Big man's hype. They're playing with a lot of heart. That's what I'm saying. They're playing with a lot of heart. Knicks are playing with a lot of heart. Yeah. Knicks are playing with a lot of heart. Fuck with that. Shot. The rebound. Steal. Holiday with the three. That's called penetration kick out. That's good. That's simple as hell, but it always works. Oh my god. Oh my. Replay that one. Oh my God, that was filthy. Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my. You're bald, buddy. Shut up. Holiday, you're not an offensive player. Go do something else, bro. Stop scoring. Oh my God. You might be an offensive player after this one, buddy, because holy, what the fuck was that? Bro's jumping for joy. Bro's jumping for joy. What is he doing? You know that's butter. You know that's butter. Oh my God, cat. Oh my God. Dime! Oh my God. Oh my God, that's filthy. It's a good shot. It's a good shot, Tatum. It's a good shot. 41-53. 41-53. Third quarter. Beginning of the third quarter. Cat has that in his bag now? Since when? Since when Cat had that in his bag? Fadeaway jumper? Oh my God. I feel like he always gets a play like that in a game. Always. He's always gonna do that in one game. Just straight to the basket. Never gonna say nothing no more. That's a baby. That's a child down there, man. It's good. That's good. Like, that's fundamental. Good screen. Good pick and roll. Another one, bro? How many times are you gonna let that go? He's tough. He's tough. He's tough. He is tough. I like that they're giving him playing time because he is tough. Like, he is tough. Hart. Give me three. Give me three. Good rebound. Brunson on the corner. Oh, McBride. Boom! He's tough. I'm telling you, he's tough. Man, shut that shit up. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Play the game. Nah. Is it me? This thing looks like an alien. Look at his head. How many fouls does nigga Hart have, bro? Come on, Bridges. You know that's going in, man. That's Pritchard right there, boy. That's fundamental. That's fundamental work. Good fadeaway, Bridges. Good fadeaway. Love that. What steals are these, man? Good hustle. Good hustle. But come on. That could not be happening. Bridges again. Bridges? You like that, twin? My name Bridges. Pritchard, like that shit is just. It's just like repetitively, bro. Like his form, everything. I mean, he's in the NBA. It should be, but like, damn. Hey. Good lay. That was some throwing it up to see if it goes in, but that's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's a tough bucket. That's a tough bucket. 72-84. Celtics up. Middle of the fourth quarter. Let's see. Let's see. Good rebound. Good rebound. Good rebound fight. Bridges? Oh my God, he's wildin'. He's wildin'. He's out there bugging. Again? Oh, I was about to say. Brunson. Big time shots. Clutchton, that's what I'm gonna call him. Jalen Clutchton. Tough. When I tell you that's a tough bucket. First of all, Josh Hart, when he went up, that should have been a foul. I don't know if he flopped, but it looked like it should have been a foul. But Towns coming up and finishing that, that's a tough bucket. That's big time buckets right there. Big time buckets. Down by 2. Down by 2, 2 minutes left. Oh, now down by 1. He made his free throw, I guess. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Brunson. Oh my God, good hustle. Good. Yo, Horford, you don't get your old ass out the league. You Dominican just like me, but if you don't get your old ass out the league, why is he blowing past? Yo, bro, you're tall, gang. Sit back. Sit back. Wait for him. You have 2 people behind him. He does anything else, he stops for a jumper. That's a blocked shot. Come on, bro. I need to be in the league for that one, right? I don't know. For a second consecutive game on the floor of the defending champs. Tatum inside flies and is tough foul. A tough foul. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay. 80, 88, 89. 44 seconds left. Let's see what happens, man. I saw this. Look. I don't know what like their plan on defense was. Like, was that I hope that wasn't part of the plan, because that could have just lost them the game right there. But like, big man comes up. So big man comes up. Look, let's see. Robinson comes up. Robinson comes up. Jason Tatum sees him, goes by him. What was supposed to happen here? Hart closes out. That's an open 3. Bridges closes out. That's a open 3 from Brown. So I don't know who messed up. Was it OG? Was it McBride? I don't know. But that was like, that's not low key. I don't know. Hey, end of the work. I don't know, bro. But like I said, he always gets 1 or 2 of those dunks. Always gets 1 or 2 of those dunks. Brunson with the ball. Let's go. Brunson. The foul. Oh my God. Brunson. Clutchton. Jalen Clutchton. Jalen Clutchton. Ooh. Bucket. 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 Big time. Big time. Jalen Clutchton. Jalen Clutchton. Let's see what happens here. Jason Tatum with the ball. What happens? What happens? Robinson. Good. Oh my God. 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 Hold on. We gotta go back. 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 Right? Here's the extra one. Here's the extra one. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So Robinson plays defense. Good, good, good. Good. And fucking Bridges for the fucking win. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a play. Bridges, bro. Bridges. I said Bridges. Bridges. That is big time, bro. Hey, give me that shit. That's what he said. Look, this is what he said. This is what he said. This is what he said. I'm on Brown right now. I'm on Brown. This was in his mind. I'm on Brown. I'm on Brown. Give me that shit. That was it. Brunson catches it down the court. That's what happened. That's all he was in his mind. Yeah, let's fucking go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Jalen Clutson. My boy Jalen Clutson. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. But all right, chat. That was a crazy game. Crazy game. Huge comeback. Huge comeback. I think they were down by like 20. Was it? I don't know. They were down by a lot. Huge comeback. Huge plays. Jalen Clutson. MIKAL Bridges. MIKAL Bridges. Nah, he's really like that. But that's 2 times in a row that he saved the game on a steal. 2 times. 2 times. So great plays. Like I said, Warriors in 4. My last video, Warriors in 4. Knicks, I love the Knicks though. Knicks is a great team. Like I would love to see them go far. Love to see them go far. But Warriors in 4. AE ain't doing nothing. But thank you for watching. Again, crazy game. Jalen Clutson. Everybody on that team is nice. McBride, Towns, Bridges, Hart, Brunson. This team is just crazy. But hey man, love y'all boys. Love y'all. See y'all in the next one. And yeah, peace.